Designing a modern living room involves creating a space that is sleek, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. Here are some tips to help you achieve a modern look. 1. Choose a neutral color palette base. Colors. Use neutral colors like white, grey, beige, or black as the foundation of your design. Accent colors. Incorporate pops of color through accessories, artwork, or furniture to add interest and personality. 2. Emphasize clean lines and minimalism. Furniture. Select furniture with clean, straight lines and minimal ornamentation. Avoid overly ornate or bulky pieces. Declutter. Keep the space uncluttered by minimizing accessories and decorative items. Focus on a few statement pieces. 3. Incorporate high-quality materials. Natural elements. Use materials like wood, glass, metal, and stone to add texture and interest. Luxury finishes. Opt for high-quality finishes like polished wood, stainless steel, and marble for a sophisticated look. 4. Opt for functional and stylish furniture, sofas, and chairs. Choose modern, comfortable seating with sleek designs. Sectionals, low-profile sofas, and mid-century modern chairs are great options. Storage solutions. Use built-in storage, floating shelves, or sleek cabinets to keep the space organized. 5. Create an open and airy feel layout. Arrange furniture to promote an open flow of traffic and create distinct zones for different activities. Lighting. Maximize natural light by using sheer curtains or blinds. Incorporate a mix of lighting, including ceiling lights, floor lamps, and table lamps, to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 6. Incorporate technology seamlessly. Entertainment. Integrate modern technology like a flat-screen TV, sound system, and smart home devices into your design. Cable management. Use cable management solutions to keep wires hidden and maintain a clean look. 7. Use statement art and decor artwork. Choose large, bold pieces of art that reflect your personal style. Abstract and minimalist art works well in modern spaces. Decorative objects. Select a few statement decor items like sculptures, vases, or geometric objects to add interest without cluttering the space. 8. Focus on textures and layers rugs. Use area rugs to define spaces and add warmth. Opt for rugs with simple patterns or solid colors. Textiles. Incorporate different textures through throw pillows, blankets, and upholstery to add depth and comfort. 9. Add greenery plants. Incorporate indoor plants to bring life and freshness to the room. Choose modern planters that complement the overall design. Flowers. Use fresh or artificial flowers in simple, elegant arrangements to add a touch of nature. 10. Balance proportion and scale. Furniture size. Ensure that the size of your furniture is proportionate to the room. Avoid oversized pieces that can overwhelm the space. Spacing. Leave adequate space between furniture pieces to create a balanced and airy feel. 11. Personalize with unique touches. Custom pieces. Consider custom furniture or bespoke art that reflects your personality and style. Collections display personal collections or travel souvenirs in a tasteful and organized manner. By following these tips, you can create a modern living room that is both functional and visually appealing, providing a comfortable and stylish